Welcome to Ghoda, man. Welcome to Ghoda.
What's up, Ghoda?
We can't hear you. I'm a Ghoda newbie. I think you all should welcome me with some more love. Thank you.
Honestly, I had come here during Badlapur, and when I was a student in HR, I would often come here with my friends and walk around, and it's just amazing to see how beautiful our city Mumbai is and how we just turn up and do this. I actually have goosebumps, guys. Thank you.
And both Mumbai kids at Ghoda today, let me just say, amazing trailer, amazing music.
What do you guys think of the trailer?
One thing with Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, what we wanted to do, actors go all around, they go to dance, they fall, they do everything for their films. But for Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, we wanted to come to specific places and promote the film.
Yeah.
I think Ghoda and you guys will truly get it, because we are people who are born in Mumbai, but we are playing characters from Jhansi and Kota. So
You all are the true heart of the city.
Yeah.
So because it's a heartland film, we have to go to the heart of the city, and we've come right here. So today we've actually decided that we're really going to do everything we can to entertain you all and just make you all smile. Because
So there are two things. We have two songs out. You know which ones we're talking about? Which ones?
Tama Tama.
Okay, we have people saying Tama Tama
And what's
and...
the other one?
Badri!
So you guys tell us which one you want us to dance on or which one do you want to hear before?
Tama Tama.
Tama Tama first.
Tama Tama first. Have you all seen the video?
Yes! Already?
Should we see the video?
Okay, but
once
before
more?
we put the video on, you got to do something first. Okay, so when I say Tu Premi, you guys gonna have to say Aha. Tu Premi, Main Premi,